Hi, I'm Dr. Nisha Bhardwaj, working at Al Shams Medical and Diagnostic Center, Sharjah. I really feel privileged to have today to communicate with all of you. I hope all of you are watching more of TV in these days because we are not allowed to go outside much. COVID pandemic has changed our life drastically. We all can see that we are scared to step out of the house, and so the healthcare has also changed. So today I would be talking about a very general topic, though we all know about it, but in the pandemic time it has changed a lot because we are not coming regularly to the clinic. We are scared despite that the clinics and hospitals are taking all precautions for your care. I would be talking about the antenatal care. Antenatal health checkup. We all know that pregnancy is a blessing for the mother as well as the whole family. But I have seen and counted so many patients in the last few months whom I have seen that they are just avoiding the checkups. They are not coming to get the investigations done. They are scared to come to the clinic. So I would highlight few tips which all of you should follow, and especially the pregnant mothers. Each pregnancy is unique. Why we say unique? Unique means it's different. It's my pregnancy will be different from yours, and yours will be different from your friend's pregnancy. It will not be the same. So we cannot say that okay, my friend, she got pregnant, she didn't go to the hospital, she took some over the counter vitamins and she had a good pregnancy. No, it's not like that. We have to come to the clinic, and why coming to the clinic is important, we will discuss these things. So the first thing is that the first visit, when we should have the first visit. First visit is when we confirm the pregnancy. Sometimes we are confirming the pregnancy by the urine pregnancy test at home. The couple feel delighted, the family feels very happy. But yes, after confirmation, after when it is 60th to 17th day of the last period, we should visit the clinic. When we will come to the clinic, we will get so many information which is really essential to you. It will be regarding, first we will confirm the heartbeat of the baby, whether the pregnancy is intrauterine or it is extrauterine, because in some cases we can have ectopic pregnancy which is not normal and can have catastrophic, can have totally devastating experience for the couple when they come to know that it is an ectopic pregnancy. Sometimes the pregnancy will be going very smoothly, but if we have not checked the heartbeat, it will be just, we will not have any bleeding, any discharge, but the baby will not be good. So first, booking ultrasound is very, very important in these cases. The next will come the advice regarding the lifestyle modification. The lifestyle modification is a need of hour because we all are very anxious and stressed in today's time. Sometimes there is so many threats to us, like in the form of job loss, less money, so many things, but we can give a tailor-made advice to you which can be suitable to you regarding your diet. Maybe sometime you were trying to lose weight before, but now you don't have to diet. What you have to eat, how much you have to eat, when you have to eat is very, very important. And especially as it's the summer season, we all know how much important is the water intake. It cannot be simple water. If you're not able to drink because of the nausea and all, your doctor will give you proper advice that how to stay hydrated. The other thing, which is the most important question so many patients ask, ma'am, should we start walking? Should we do the morning walk? Should we start the evening walk? No, it's not like that. It's not like that your friend used to walk 2 kilometers a day, so you also have to walk. As I said, every pregnancy is unique. So your experience has to be what you have been told by your doctor, you have to follow that. So sometimes if you are not doing any walks before the pregnancy, we will advise you that you have to start maybe hardly 10 minutes walk in your corridor of your building, not more than that. Or if you were a regular walker or regular exerciser, we will advise you how you have to do your exercise now in the pregnant state. We will do this your vitals checkup, like your blood pressure, pulse rate, everything, and we will tell you that okay, if these are normal or if it is low BP, high BP, we will guide you accordingly after doing a couple of investigations like routine hemoglobin checkup, routine urine checkup, very baseline test, and it need not to be very hi-fi test until and unless it is a complicated pregnancy. When we say it is complicated, in case you are having some history of recurrent miscarriages, recurrent abortions like 1 or 2 abortions, or you have any bleeding, or you have any watery discharge, you have history of any infections, you are asthmatic, there are so many things which you must be feeling, and you will come out when you will speak to your doctor, you will come to know about that. So there are, when this is the first visit, which is very important visit, don't neglect it, just come to the clinic to get yourself checked. As I said that there is a time of pandemic, usually we call the patients every month to check for their routine vitals, because every month the growth changes and the vitals also keep on changing. But in the pandemic time, if you don't want to come every month, the next very important visit is at 11 to 14 weeks. Why this visit is very important? Because this is the visit when we do the combined test, that is the anti-scan, nuchal translucency scan, and some blood test. Most of the patients who are searching Google, they know about the double marker test. So we do the anti-scan plus the double marker blood test, which will tell regarding the certain peculiar genetic abnormalities. This is very important, especially in case of the high age pregnancy, if you are getting conceived after a long time and if you are above 30, and routinely it is recommended to do for all the patients. So this is the very important thing. In case because of some reasons, because of the you are scared to come out, or because of the some financial reasons, you miss this 11 to 14 weeks time visit to the clinic, make sure, it's very important that you come around about 18 to 20 weeks, that is your 4.5 to 5th month, to your doctor. Because if you have missed, it becomes more and more important, because that will be the time when you will be referred after checking all the parameters to for the TIFA scan, or in the simple language we can say that anomaly scan. So anomaly scan will grossly, it can pick up so many abnormalities of the baby, of the heart defects, of some stomach or duodenum defects. Some other main defects can be picked up very easily with the ultrasound. Not 100%, you don't have to rely that okay, we will pick up all the defects on the ultrasound. No, it's not like that. But with 95% accuracy, it can be, so many things can be picked up, and it can curtail the outcomings. So again, at that time it is very important, because your hormonal parameters are changing in the body. So we would like to test your thyroid, your sugar, because some patients who don't have sugar before, but they will be subjected to gestational diabetes. So gestational diabetes has all its effect on the baby. I will not discuss it in detail, but we can see that how it is affecting, and we can see how your diet or some oral tablets or insulin can help you out regarding that. So that is the most important thing. After that, as I said before also, that usually for all the patients monthly visit is necessary, that every month they have to come. But in case you feel that okay, you are not able to come, so the important visit will be at 28 weeks, because that time at least we will check the growth parameters. We will tell you that the baby has started kicking, and you can easily keep a kick count to ensure the proper, like the healthy baby. So if you are feeling the kick counts, it's good, and we will check all other growth parameters and the routine infection screening. The next very important visit will be at 32 weeks, because that time again we have to check for the liquor, for the surrounding fluid of the baby, because the baby is kicking in the fluid only, that is the baby's food. So we have to see how the baby is surviving. Is it good? The liquor is good, everything is good, and we will again check your hemoglobin, your urine test, and we will subject you to the CTG, that is the baby heart rate response to the kick count. So to summarize, we will say that these are the most important visits when you have to come to the clinic. At 36 weeks, you have to come again, and after that, anyway, you can plan. If you're planning to travel, you have to talk regarding these things also to your doctor in the first visit only, so that she or he can guide you regarding the till what time you can travel, or if you want to stay here only, you can choose your hospitals accordingly. So that is, I would like to highlight that you have to come to the hospital. As the pregnancy, we say that it's a blessing and it's a very good feeling, whether it is planned or whether it is unplanned. In this time also, you must visit your doctor. One more thing which I would highlight, that all the clinics or all the hospitals are taking precautions to make every patient safe. We are sanitizing everything, we are taking care of things, but for you it is more important that you book your appointment, so that you don't have to wait in the clinic for more time. You have to wear your mask properly. If you have kids, better leave them at home, you can come alone. Kindly bring minimum belongings to the hospital. You don't have to bring a big bag or a lot of stuff, because usually if you are a booked patient, all your data will be with the doctor. So keep your belongings minimum, and after going home you have to sanitize everything, whatever you are carrying to the hospital. That is a must. So let's hope that this talk would be useful, and don't neglect your health checkups in the COVID pandemic. It's very, very important. Thank you all.